Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I'm making a video earlier this morning because of the SUI launch, $SUI. Right now, it's doing a ICO on Bybit. You need to stake either BNB or TUSD to get SUI, which has 2 more days of farming, collecting the tokens. And I've already put around $50,000 I'll show you on Bybit. And I've already received around 70 SUI or something like this. And I'm very bullish SUI. Why? Because a friend of mine who's the founder of Pontum is the biggest decentralized exchange on Aptos Aptos network. And he's a genius. Stas is a genius, the founder of Pontum, and he really is he thinks SUI is going to be a big project, and a lot of VCs think SUI is going to be a big project. So I started farming it on Binance, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video as well. The link to Binance is in the description down below. You can sign up and start farming for SUI, and I think SUI will be a great project. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. I'm showing you what I'm doing with my money, but I already yesterday put in around 50K and started farming SUI. I already received around 100 SUI. I'm going to show you in this video. Hit the subscribe button if you want to catch up on alts, if you want to know what's going to happen in Bitcoin, if you want to learn trading, if you want to learn about crypto. Smash up this thumbs up button and turn on the bell notification down there on your phone so you're notified of every video. Let's jump into the technicals. Let's do quickly technicals for Bitcoin and then go into SUI. Let's do the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals. Yesterday I predicted that pump on Bitcoin, but then it just dumped the market straight after. This is in the long-term time frame of Bitcoin. Again, when I'm looking on the long term, first thing that I say is volume predicts price. This was in 2021. This was the peak of the bull run at 69K. This is the volume down here. Each bar represents how much Bitcoin is bought and sold on each week. And you can see that during the peak of the bull run at 69K up there, you can see how much volume was. We had around 222,000 Bitcoin on that week, right? Bought and sold. And now you can see how much the volume is now. It's almost triple what it was, or even 5 times more. Last week we had volume on Bitcoin. Last week's volume on Bitcoin was 1.3 million Bitcoin. So during the peak of the bull run in 2021, we had 222,000 Bitcoin, and now we have around 1.6 million Bitcoin being bought and sold each week. So the volume is almost 6 times bigger this week than it was on the peak of Bitcoin at 69K. So that's why I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. Also, when we look here, I see a big inverse head and shoulders that played out perfectly when we bought it at 16K. Now it's facing heavy resistance here, and that is to be expected. Why? This 30K area is a very strong area of resistance. What's interesting is we get rejected, but not very strongly, but it's very strong resistance. You can see all the 2020 to 21 bull market, we had very strong resistances where we are right now at this 30K. And you can see here we also had very strong resistance. So it's very expected that we have strong resistance here. But Bitcoin is still looking bullish. I'm not seeing that it's like, to me, it's still looking bullish. Also, when we go closer daily, stochastic is turning to head down. We're still in this wave, this Elliott wave count. It's 5 waves from the bottom, 1 wave correction, and I still think we're on the 3rd wave now, which should be the biggest impulse wave. So we could actually have a bigger wave than people are expecting. But again, after we're through this 31K resistance, the next big resistance is at 35K. Stochastic though is turning down at the moment on the daily, which is not good. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. RSI is still also heading down. So right now the indicators are showing that we are coming down a little bit on the daily. Crypto Guru bot is still firing a blue buy like it did from the bottom down here at 16K. It fired a blue buy. Bitcoin indicator bot is also, it fired a buy and a sell, not really giving us, it fired a buy there, then a sell almost straight away, but it did fire a sell. And you can see here that after that sell indicator, it dropped. You can get the Crypto Guru bot and the Bitcoin indicator bot in the Crypto Guru master course. Moving average, we're still moving up. Golden cross, we had the golden cross on the bottom. I talked about that. It's still looking bullish in my opinion. Let's go on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, we are now oversold. Bitcoin pumped out of this triangle that I showed yesterday. It went bullish out of this symmetrical triangle like I predicted, and then it dumped. A massive dump. So it kind of screwed us over. It was like a huge dump a few hours ago. It pumped out, tricked everyone, and then dumped, which is not so nice. And it's still trending up. It's still making higher lows. You can see here, this was the low at 20K, 28K resistance, 30K where the big resistance, coming down to 27K. It's still making higher highs. It's still bullish at the moment, and volume is actually increasing. It is trending down at the moment on the 4-hourly. We have this downtrend here. That is a resistance. But in my opinion, I still think this is bull flaggy. So I'd still be going, I'll take these opportunities to go long off these very strong supports. We have very strong support here at 27K. So I would go long here, targeting that 35K. But again, expect that every time it comes to that 30K, we have very strong resistance there. So getting rejected there is quite normal at the moment. Where I would go long on Bitcoin is from here with a tight stop loss just underneath. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Let's go on the hourly. Hourly is also oversold. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. So it's risking $440 to make $7,840 without leverage. $440 risk to make $7,840 without leverage. 10x leverage, that's $78,000 per Bitcoin. So this means per Bitcoin, 17.81 risk to reward ratio trade. I'll share this also in the Telegram. So that's on Bitcoin. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video, in the description and the pinned comment of the video, so down below, under the video, go down below, smash up this likes button. Let's get 500 likes on this video. You're an amazing community. Let's push these videos to be the biggest crypto community, and click on this bell notification, turn it on to get notified of all my videos. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video, go down below in the description, sign up to Bybit using this link. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use this link and meet all the trading requirements. $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use that link. So going down below, using that link, that signs up to Bybit. You can also take the crypto mastercourse to learn to get the crypto guru board to learn technical analysis. If you want to learn how to trade, if you've been losing money in the markets, take the crypto mastercourse. More than 10,000 students taking all my courses now, and you can join that free Telegram group. 8,100 members in here, and inside that Telegram group, I told everyone about this SUI. So this was me. I locked in 183 BNB for SUI on Binance Launch Pool. So I locked in 183 BNB to farm SUI, and it's already started farming. So this was yesterday. I'm going to show you that on my Binance. The link, you can sign up to Binance also in the description down below. So this is the launchpad, and you can see Binance token launchpad. There's been 3.3 billion dollars locked into. Now you can farm SUI, so it's already started. It's got farming period 2 days remaining. Total rewards to distribute are 40 million SUI. SUI is a deep POS layer 1 blockchain based on the Move programming language. And VCs are very excited. Time until farming ends, 1 day, 18 hours. So you still have almost 2 days of farming. I've staked TUSD. You can stake two types. So you can stake TUSD, which will get 20% of the total SUI, and you can stake BNB, which will get 80% of that total 40 million SUI that is being distributed. And I staked in here, I've already staked 16,295 TUSD, which is like USDT, a stable coin. I've already received 12 SUI plus unclaimed rewards, so I've already received around 32 SUI, right? 12 plus 17. 29 SUI I've received already from farming since yesterday, $16,000. And I locked in here BNB. I locked in 183 BNB, which is around $60,000, 60 something $1,000. And I've already received 31 SUI plus 41 SUI. So total I've received, so 29. So say 30 plus 40 is 71 plus. I've received almost 100 SUI already in just about 12 hours since the farm, or about 8 hours since the farming started. It's still got 2 days and still got about less than 2 days of farming remaining. So you can do that. It's already, you just do this on Binance if you want. You can sign up down below to the link and farm SUI. And I am very bullish on SUI. So the links are in the description down below. Also, IDEX, I bought it 2 days ago. If you follow in my Telegram, that's why I really recommend everyone join my Telegram. The link is down below. There's 8,176 members in here, and I share a lot of information in between videos. 8,176 people in here, and I share all this information in between videos, so you can check that out. IDEX, I bought it, and it's up 24% today, which is beautiful. I bought $10,000 worth. And SUI, I already started farming this in the Telegram. I mentioned this also, which is beautiful. This is Easyborn Bookie, one of the esports teams for Magicraft from the Philippines, powered by Magicraft and sponsored by Bybit and 14. They're an esports team that will be. We're getting a lot of esports teams joining the Magicraft world. MCRT is the token. And SUI is now on Binance Launch Pool. I tweeted about this and I talked about this yesterday. And MCRT is already live on Apple Store, Google Store, and PC. It's cross-playable. $MCRT. You can also get the token. It's already live. I also bought IOTA because of a recommendation from the founder of Pontum. He thinks IOTA can be a potentially. It was $15 billion market cap, and he's very, very bullish IOTA. He says if they pull off IOTA, it will be a GPT moment for crypto. So he says if IOTA pulls off what they're trying to do, it will be a GPT moment for crypto. And you can also check out MCRT. So lobby.app.magicraft.io. You can swap USDT and all cryptos for MCRT. You can play the games. You can check your wallet history, and you can create lobbies, and you can already win MCRT real, which can be traded for Bitcoin, USDT, etc. Which is beautiful. And also on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade is 18,400. It was like 22,000 yesterday on that pump on Bitcoin, but it pulled back. But still 18,400 in the profit, 240%. It's 2.98 Bitcoin. In this account, I have 284,000. It was 297,000 yesterday on the Bitcoin pump before a pullback. I've got 4.2 Bitcoin in here, 122,000, $37,000 worth of MCRT, $21,000 worth of TON, 19,000 USDT, 19,000 of FXS, and $11,000 of Uniswap, some 3,000 of Ethereum. So that's a quick update on what's happening in the market and what's happening with Sui. And I just wanted to make this video because I believe Sui could be a very big project. That's why I'm already farming. You can check it out. The link to Binance to sign up is down below, and then you can start farming Sui. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. And none of this is financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence. This is what I'm doing with my money. I've been showing these videos for 3.5 years, almost every day. If you've been following my journey, all from my own phone. I've been doing it all from my own phone. More than 10,000 students taking my courses. ChatGod has reached nearly 60,000 users after just a bit more than 1 month. 60,000 users on chatgod.ai, which is incredible. MCRT is already, we went from no game to now we have a play-to-earn game, a MOBA that's incredible. We have thousands of players playing every day, winning MCRT, and you can join them as well. All the links in the description. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. I need to get to my breakfast because look at this. Boom. Who's beautiful? This is my Dr. Fiance. Who's the most perfect angel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.